Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha Yadav. Guys, today we are going to talk about active and passive voice. How to convert a sentence from active to passive. Guys, in the previous video we have learnt about the sentences which are in simple present tense, and how can they be converted into passive voice, active to passive. So this is the second video related to active and passive voice, how to convert a sentence from active to passive. In this video we will learn how to convert a sentence of present continuous to passive voice. Okay, if a sentence is given like with a main verb, that is in the first form and plus ing, how can we recognize that this is the simple present continuous tense? If a sentence has a helping verb is am are. Which helping verb? Is, am and are. With main verb will be in the first form plus ing. So that sentence will be in present continuous. How can we convert these sentences into passive voice? We will learn all these things in this video. So without doing a further delay, let's move right into the topic. So guys, I told you that if a sentence has is, am, are as helping verb plus main verb will be in the first form plus ing, then object, and also that will be started with the subject. Okay, so how can we convert this sentence? For example, first of all we need to see that which sentence. How can we recognize the sentence? See, she is listening a song. She is listening a song. I told you that a present continuous sentence will have helping verb is, am, are. So this is plus mv1. Main verb will be in the first form plus ing. So listen, listen, listen. This is listening plus ing, mv1 plus ing. She is listening plus object. So a song is object. Okay guys, so this is the example of present continuous tense. Okay, see the next example. The students are watching the match. The students is the subject here. Is, am, are. So here helping verb or auxiliary verb is are, then main verb watch plus ing, then object. Meaning is that all the things, if we find all these things in a sentence, so that sentence will be related to present continuous tense. Got this point? Okay, how can we convert this sentence into passive voice? These are in active voice. She is listening a song. This is a sentence in active voice. How can we convert it into passive voice? I told you in the previous video that when we are going to convert a sentence into passive, so we need to watch first thing, that is object. We need to find object because we make the object of active as the subject of passive. So object, a song is the object of this active sentence. Okay, so a song, then after object we need to know helping verb. So is, am, are is the helping verb. Okay, is, am, are. So is, a song is, then main verb listen, here ing. Okay, ing. So what we need to do? We will add being. In every continuous tenses, we have to, if we want to convert it, the sentence into passive voice, so we need to add being after helping verb. So a song is being, then main verb listen. A song is being listen. Main verb will be in the third form when we convert it to the sentence into passive voice. A song is being listened, then she. This will be written as object. So by her. Why by? Because we are going to write object, so we have to add by also, because this is the passive sentence. Got this point? So I am going to tell you the rule. See guys, what is the rule of present continuous tense to convert into passive? Subject plus is MR plus being, then main verb will be in the third form, then by plus passive object. Subject will be the object of active sentence. The subject will be, the passive subject will be the object of active. Okay. Plus is MR, that is helping verb of the present continuous tense. Then being. Why we will add being? Because this is the present continuous, means if we see any continuous tense, so we have to add a word that is being. Then main verb will be in the third form. Whether it is in a first form or it is in the second form, we have to convert it into the third form in the passive sentences. Okay, then by, this is the rule of whole tense, that we have to add by in the passive sentences. Plus passive object, that will be the subject of active. For example, the students are watching the match. The students are watching the match. So what is the subject here? The students is the subject of active. This is the active sentence. Why? How can we recognize that this is the active sentence? If a sentence has subject, helping verb is MR, then main verb, then ing, then object. So it is a sentence in active form. Okay. When we are going to convert it into passive, so how can we convert? First we need to know subject. So the object of active sentence is the passive of is the subject of passive. So the match, this is the object of active sentence. So we will make the subject the match. The match, after that is MR. So is. Why is? Because students are plural but the match is singular. Okay. So according to the subject, we have to add helping verb. That is. Why we are not adding are? Because the match is singular, the students are plural. Here the helping verb is added according to the subject. Here also we have to add helping verb as the according to the subject. The match is, then being, because this is the continuous tense. That's why being. Being, then main verb. Watch, watched, watched. Here watched. MV3, main verb will be in the third form, watched. Here we have added being, so we need not to add any ing here. Okay. So the match is being watched. After that, by. Okay. So we have added by, then passive object. Passive object will be the subject of active. So the students is here subject of active. So that this is the passive of, this is the object of passive, by the students. Clear? The match is being watched by the students. Guys, we have learnt how to convert a sentence of present continuous into passive voice, but to remove all the confusion, we need to practice it. So see the sentence, I am drawing the picture. We need to convert these sentences into passive voice. First of all, we need to know in which tense this sentence is given. I am drawing the picture. I am is am are. So am is the helping verb of present continuous tense. Drawing. Draw is the first form, then ing is also added. That means this is the present continuous tense. I am drawing the picture. How can we convert this sentence into passive voice? I am drawing the picture. First of all, we need to know what is the object of active. The picture is the object. So we have to make this subject. So the picture. Then we need to find out the helping verb is am are. So here the picture. Am is added according to the subject I. Here the helping verb will be added is. Why is? Because the picture is the subject. The picture is. Then being. So the picture is being drawn. So the picture is being drawn. Then by me. Why me? I is the subject and me is the object. Next, they are not picking the flowers. They are not picking the flowers. Guys, I think you should also solve this exercise. Okay? So do with me also. The flowers is the object, so that it can be made as the subject. So the flowers. Then is. Why is? Because are. Flowers is plural. So are. The flowers are. Then they are not picking the flowers. If a sentence is negative, so the flowers are not, then being, not being picked by, the object of they is them. Okay, done. See the next sentence. Veena is cooking the Veena is cooking the dinner. So first of all we need to know the subject. So the dinner will be subject. Why? Because this is the object. When we convert the active sentence into passive, then we need to know object. So the dinner is the object, then helping verb. So the dinner is. Why is? Because this is the singular form. The dinner is, then being. So being, cooked. MV3. So cooked. The dinner is being cooked. Then object by Veena. Okay. See the next sentence. The girls are learning their lessons. The girls are learning their lessons. So their lesson is the object. So it will be made as subject. Their lessons. Then are. Why are? Lessons is plural. Their lessons are. Then being learnt. Learnt. So their lesson are being learnt by the girls. See the next sentence. The gardener is plucking the flowers. The gardener is plucking the flowers. So what is the subject here? The flowers will be the subject because this is the object. The flowers, then helping verb are. Why are? The flowers is plural. The flowers are being, then MV3 plugged. So the flowers are being plucked by the gardener. See the answers? The flowers are being plucked by the gardener. Okay, done. So guys, in this way we can convert the active sentences of present continuous tense into passive. So guys, that's all for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.